Hi friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. This is a new series where we highlight some non-traditional crafting materials to encourage creative reuse. It's all leading up to our community art swap, where you can swap art supplies that you're no longer using and exchange them for something new to you. You've likely seen or worked with yarn before, but have you ever sewn with t-shirt yarn? I'm going to be showing you how to create t-shirt yarn and use it to create a coaster. This idea is based on a project from the book Wear, Repair, Repurpose, A Maker's Guide to Mending and Upcycling Clothes by Lily Fulop. There are some really incredible ideas in here and I highly recommend checking it out. In her book, Lily creates a really beautiful rag rug. We're going to be scaling down her design to create a coaster, but you can keep going with the steps we're showing you to make something larger. Start by removing the bottom hem of the t-shirt. You can save this on the side for a future project, but we're not going to be using it for our coaster. Next, cut 3 strips of t-shirt fabric. You'll want these strips to be about 1 inch thick. Your t-shirt fabric will start as more of a loop than a strand, but one quick snip will fix that. Tape the 3 strands of t-shirt fabric together and begin braiding them. You want your braid to be secure without being too tight. You may find that you need to add more length to your yarn. We have a neat way of doing this that doesn't involve any sewing. Cut a small slit into both the piece that you'd like to add onto and the piece that you'll be adding. Push the piece that is at its end through the extension piece. Grab the other end of the extension piece and push that through the slit. Pull all the way through to join the 2 pieces. Now you're ready to keep braiding. When your braid is as long as you'd like it to be, we recommend about 4 feet, sew the ends together. Roll the braid onto itself, stitching as you go. Cut any excess thread, and you're done. You now have a beautiful handmade coaster.